Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, 'cause you're awesome. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday!
2, 3.
Happy birthday, Peter! Happy birthday, Peter! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Peter!
Sa'yo backlighten madilim.
Hindi, okay lang yan. Ayan. Yung balko maalis sa
birthday!
Happy birthday, Peter!
Happy birthday!
See you, bye!
Happy birthday, Peter! Pareho na tayo, 70s. Na pumasok na tayo sa 70s. Ako 71, ikaw 70. Welcome to the club. And I hope na makarating kami dyan, maka-attend din kami sana. Pero alam mo naman, marami akong dogs. And di ko basta-basta maiwan. Anyway, do pray na sana maging healthy ka pa, long life, and mag-enjoy pa rin tayo magkakapatid. Bye! Happy birthday again!
Happy birthday to my handsome brother who's very thoughtful, loving, and caring. Thank you for everything. You're always there for me if I needed you. Enjoy your birthday and take care. Love you. Bye.
Happy birthday, Peter. Happy birthday, Lolo Pete.
Happy birthday to my favorite Tito. Happy birthday. Happy 70th birthday, Tito
Happy
Peter.
birthday, Peter. Have a good day.
Hope you the best day. Love you so much. Love and miss you. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lolo. Love you. Enjoy your 70th birthday. Bye.
Happy birthday po, Tito Peter. God bless po always and wishing you good health. Love you po.
Allow me to read my birthday message to you. It's such an honor to be here celebrating the 70th birthday of someone very special. A true friend, a wonderful person, and someone who meant so much to my late husband, Leo. Through the years, your friendship brought laughter, strength, and countless memories that will never be forgotten. Real friendship is rare, and the bond you shared was one of loyalty, kindness, and respect. And for that, I will always be grateful.
Hi, Lolo Pete. Happy 70th birthday. I'm wishing you a successful business, and I'm so happy that you're doing what you do best and you love. And yeah, so hope you have a lovely birthday, and see you soon.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tito Peter.
Don't jump! Make a wish.
Wow.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, 'cause you're awesome. Happy birthday to you.
Happy 70th birthday, Tito Peter. All the best and best of health. We love you.
Happy birthday, Tito Pete. Enjoy your day.
Tito Peter, happy birthday po. Enjoy your day po and more blessings and good health.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Pete. More birthdays to celebrate. God bless.
Alright.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Enjoy your 70th birthday.
Basta remember 70 is just an age. It's just a number. Huwag ka mag-worry. May you have many more birthdays to come and good health and
More clients.
more clients.
Stay healthy and strong.
Okay.
Okay po, happy birthday po.
Birthday ulit. Enjoy ka.
Happy birthday po, Tito Peter!
Wish po namin sa'yo, Tito, is good health palagi. Enjoy po kayo sa birthday nyo. We love you po. Happy birthday po. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Tito!
Happy birthday, Pete!
Happy birthday, Kuya!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, dear Peter! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, sir!
Happy birthday!
Enjoy!
Enjoy!
Surprise! Happy 70th birthday, Tito Pete! We are so incredibly sad that we couldn't fly back to the Philippines to celebrate this huge milestone with you and the rest of the family tonight.
Grazie Pete, we are sending you the biggest birthday hugs all the way from Switzerland. Alles Gute zum Geburi. All the best on your birthday.
We hope that you have the most magical night surrounded by everyone who loves you. You deserve the biggest, happiest celebration tonight.
We wish you good health and endless joy for the years ahead.
We love you and we hope to see you next time.
Firstly,
Peter, happy and blessed birthday. 70, lumampas ka na sa pinakabastos na numero. 70, new life again yan. Wish you good health and happiness. Happy birthday. Hindi ako makakatin. Yaya ako nito, pantay. My beautiful Kalisa. Enjoy na lang kayo. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Paring Peter De Jesus. Happy 70th
happy
birthday. Bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, 'cause you're awesome. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Papa. Thank you for all your love and support to all of us, and I wish that you enjoy your surprise birthday today. I love you, Papa.
Hi, Papa! Happy birthday!
Happy 70th birthday po, Papa.
Sana na-surprise ka sa birthday na celebration na hinanda sa'yo nila Kuya, sa kanila Paul, sa nila Mama. Sana happy ka.
Enjoy po kayo sa party po ninyo. Wish you po good health, more happiness, and more blessings to come po. Sana po nandiyan kami to celebrate this day with you. But nonetheless, enjoy nyo po itong party po para sa inyo.
Pasensya na dahil wala kami dyan. I really wish na sana nandiyan kami to celebrate your 70th birthday. Happy birthday ulit pa. I love you so much. I miss you all. I miss you and Mama. Stay healthy palagi. And, parang chill lang. Chill na lang kayo ni Mama and Papa. Ni Mama. Maging happy lang kayo palagi.
We love you po. Happy birthday.
We love you po. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday po ulit.
Happy birthday pa.
Happy 70th birthday, Papa Pete. We love you, and we hope for more birthdays to come. I hope you have a nice birthday. Happy 70th birthday, Papa Pete. I wish I could be there at your surprise party, and I wish I could see you another time.
Happy birthday, Papa Pete. I wish I could stay. I want to stay birthday with you, and I wish I can go to your party, and I love you. Bye.